Hi guys and welcome to another episode of Reviewing Tuesdays. I'm quite sick and we only have one subscriber, but that's okay. We need more, but subscribing will be a big help. Sorry for my loud typing, but that is just a sensitive microphone. Actually, I don't have a microphone. It's only my laptop. And the thing is that it's really near the keyboard. That's why you can hear it. And that is why I'm recording in Regina, Jay is online. Let me just say I'm recording. Lag. This is our gift ever. It's not quite, that excited. I have a cold, sometimes I have cough and I have fever. But I actually missed one of our vlogs because I have to stay overnight again. And I don't want this mod. Why do I want that? What's the matter, peanut butter? Stop it, crazy Don't want mods. Don't want mods. I might do mod. Yeah. Whoa. What the? How did you get there? It's like the most famous singer. Oh, look at that. He's so cute. It's actually passed by when I have it. It's actually been 2 years and I haven't talked about it. It's okay if he doesn't want to join me in my server anymore. Aminado naman si Senator J.D. Ejercito na nalungkot siya sa pagkakadawit ng kanyang kapatid na si Jinggoy. Pero ipapaubayan ng issue sa korte. I actually play offline. I set MC open like that. I'm not sure where to download it, but I play offline, but I don't want to have mods or anything, but I just want to play in service in Minecraft. I actually like this one. The game is kind of crazy. Emran was definitely laughing at me, but I'm not mad. Like the other one. Everyone is beautiful in this town. Don't forget to smash that like button. I hate creepy smiles. Of course, it's not happy. But okay, outline just gives me. I don't know what to talk about, but I'll upload more videos, gaming videos. Don't worry, I will stop. But it is for me, so I'll see you later. Bye.